Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to begin by asking you to look at two sentences and compare their meanings. Mark ate the watermelon. It was Mark who ate the watermelon. Are the meanings the same or different? The first sentence, Mark ate the watermelon, is just a simple statement or fact. The speaker is not trying to emphasize or call attention to anything special here. But in the second sentence, it was Mark who ate the watermelon. The speaker is emphasizing that Mark did the action, not some other person. It is an example of a cleft sentence. What is a cleft? Cleft means split or divided. So what is being divided? Cleft sentences are divided into new information and known information. Cleft sentences are commonly used in spoken English to add new information to what the listener already knows. By using a cleft sentence, we can emphasize the part of the message that we want to focus. They are especially useful in a written form because in writing we cannot show stress with our voices, but they are also frequently used in speech. For example, I have one simple declarative sentence. Jake went to the TXT concert yesterday. If you want to emphasize one element or another, the sentence could be rewritten in several ways. It was Jake who went to the TXT concert yesterday. Here, the speaker is emphasizing that Jake, not someone else, went to the concert. It was to the TXT concert that Jake went yesterday. The speaker is emphasizing that Jake went to the TXT concert, no other concert. It was yesterday that Jake went to the TXT concert. Here the speaker is emphasizing that Jake went to the TXT concert happened yesterday, not some other day. As you can see, a cleft sentence emphasizes or highlights a particular element within the sentence. Next example. What do you need to complete the project? What I need is more time to complete the project. In this sentence, the focus is on the new information. See, we use cleft sentence to connect what is already understood to what is new to the listener. It let us focus on the new information. After we know the usages, let's move to the clauses in a cleft sentence. A cleft sentence consists of two main parts, the main clause and the cleft clause. Each part has a specific role in the sentence structure. The main clause is a primary clause in the cleft sentence. It contains new information or main focus that needs to be emphasized. The cleft clause is a subordinate clause within the cleft sentence. The cleft clause offers known information about the emphasized element. Sound complex? Not to worry. The goal today is knowing how to make it cleft sentences and knowing they have two parts. The first part with new information and the second with known or old information. It was Jake who went to the TXT concert yesterday. What I need is more time to complete the project. Main clause, cleft clause. Now that you have a basic understanding, let's explore types of cleft sentence. The most common types are the it cleft and the WH cleft. We will focus on these two types of cleft sentence patterns in this lesson. The structure of it cleft sentence tells us exactly what word or words we are supposed to pay attention to. The structure is it plus be plus main focus plus relative pronouns plus noun information. Notice that in the main focus always appears after it plus be verb. It in the main clause is a placeholder for the main focus. The cleft clause provides noun information about the main focus, often introduced with relative pronoun like who, which, or that. This structure is employed to draw attention to and highlights the subject in the sentence. It is the blue car which you want to buy. It plus be plus main focus plus relative pronouns plus noun information. What's being divided here? We have new information and old information. It was Mary who painted this beautiful mural. It plus be plus main focus plus relative pronouns plus noun information. New information, old information. Let's look at these two examples here. You can see I've used a different relative pronoun. That is really common in a Cleft sentence, but also can use who or which. When a thing is a focus, we can use which. But when a person is a focus, we can use who instead of that. It is the employees who are contributing to the company's success. The employees, that's plural, isn't it? It doesn't matter if you have plural in the sentence, you still need a singular be after it, like it is or it was. But in a relative clause, we can use a plural verb like are or were. Cleft sentences often take other forms in everyday speech and writing. For example, they can take a question form like this. Is it the blue car that you want to buy? Was it Mary who painted this beautiful mural? Is it the employees who are contributing to the company's success? They also take a negative form, like it isn't the blue car that you want to buy. It wasn't Mary who painted this beautiful mural. It isn't the employees who are contributing to the company's success. Just add not after be. Let's keep going. A WH cleft sentence is a type of cleft sentence used to emphasize or highlight various elements within a sentence. Like it cleft sentence, WH cleft sentence also characterized by a main clause and a cleft clause, and they often begin with WH question word like what, who, where, when, why, and how. These sentences are a way of bringing attention to a specific information or element in a sentence. I don't know what to cook for them. I don't know what they like. What they like is smoked chicken. In this WH cleft sentence, the WH question word is what. And as you can see, the main focus comes after is. It focuses that what they like is smoked chicken. So we have old information and new information. You can reverse this sentence into a smoked chicken is what they like. It is perfectly okay. Who she is dating is a mystery to everyone. Verb phrase. Is it okay? It is also correct to use a verb phrase instead of just a single verb after the subject. Remember that, unlike it cleft, main focus does not come right after the WH word since it is followed by the be. Let's move to all cleft. We can replace what with all. When we use all, we mean the only thing. All I want for my birthday is a new coat. A new coat is all I want for my birthday. It is also correct. It's time for a quiz. Here I have some sentences. I want you to determine which sentence is a Cleft sentence from the following options. Pause this video to do this. Okay, here are the answers. The Cleft sentences are sentence number 1, 3, 4, 7, and 9. Finally, after we learn a lot about the Cleft sentences, we come to the end of this lesson today. Thanks for watching my videos, and if you found this content helpful for you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more language tips and tutorials. I'll see you!